OpenAI's GPT-5.6 family starts rolling out, Claude Code gets a built-in sandboxed browser, Neo gets amazing new hands, and Google's SensorFM ingests 1 trillion minutes of wearable data. Let's get into today's AI news. OpenAI's GPT-5.6 family, Sol, Terra and Luna, is now rolling out live across ChatGPT, Codex and the API. Sol is the flagship, available to Plus, Pro, Business and Enterprise users at medium and higher effort settings, with a Sol Pro option for the most complex tasks. Terra and Luna cover the cheaper, faster end for everyday work and high volume use. OpenAI also launched ChatGPT Work, an agent built on Codex and GPT-5.6 that can act across your apps and files, stay on a task for hours and turn a stated goal into finished work. Sol claims state-of-the-art results across coding, knowledge work, cybersecurity and science, while actually using fewer tokens than the previous frontier model. From preview to public rollout in 4 days, OpenAI isn't wasting any time. Claude Code on desktop now has a built-in browser, so Claude can pull up documentation, a design file, or any other site and read, click through, and interact with it, the same way it already works with your local dev servers. It's sandboxed and configurable, running on a clean browser profile, with none of your saved logins or history, and you choose whether sessions persist between runs. It's part of a wider desktop redesign that also adds an integrated terminal, an improved diff viewer, and rearrangeable panes. The web was always part of the job, now Claude doesn't have to leave the app to see it. 1X calls its new hand for Neo an API to the physical world, and the spec backs that up. 25 force-controlled degrees of freedom, 22 in the fingers and palm plus 3 at the wrist, all able to both move and feel contact as they work. They're built on a tendon-drive system rather than gearboxes, waterproof enough to submerge and food-safe enough that Neo can wash its own hands. 1X is targeting 10,000 of these hands built in-house this year. Google research has built SensorFM, a foundation model trained on over 1 trillion minutes of wearable sensor data from 5 million consented participants across more than 100 countries. It learns a single, reusable representation of human physiology from signals like heart rate, movement, skin temperature, and sweat response, one that transfers across cardiovascular, metabolic, sleep, and mental health tasks without needing to be retrained for each one. Google says it beats specialized models on 34 out of 35 health benchmarks, and it's designed to ground a future personal health agent. Your smartwatch has been quietly collecting this data for years. Now there's a model that can actually read it.